delicious, yummy. All right, my healthy people, welcome back to Maxine's Corner. Thank you, Ava, for helping me. Today we are doing Veganuary day 4. I'm gonna be making some vegan stew. But before I get started, guys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. It is absolutely free. Great recipes and great tips. Also, guys, you can use water instead of oil. I just added 1 teaspoon of olive oil to my pan, and to that I will add and I have here 3 cloves of garlic. Veganuary day what?
4.
Yes, day 4. Today is the 4th, right? My stove is on low to medium heat. I'm going to add my onions. Ava, my assistant, is gonna help me. Okay, 1 onion that I chopped up. This is a meatless stew. This is going to be Mrs. Dash, some adobo, some black pepper, and some smoked paprika. Alright? So you add that in here.
It smells pretty good.
Smells really good, right? Alright? Now we're going to add our mushroom. Once again, everything is going to be in the description box. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable broth. Just a little bit. Once that's cooking together, you're going to add your
cucumber.
It looks like cucumbers, but this is actually squash. And I have 2 squash that I cut up that I'll be adding. Everything smells so good. With the garlic, the onion, the squash. And this is vegetable broth. This is only because I didn't use a lot of oil for this. I used about a teaspoon. And I just want everything to just cook together really nicely. It smells really good. I wish you guys could smell it. I have 2 big carrots that I chopped up. I'm going to add that now. Also have some, do you know what this is?
I forgot.
Okra. So I have some okra I'm going to add. These were frozen. I couldn't find them fresh. If I could, I would have. So this is like a stew gumbo. And it smells so good. Okay, my healthy people, so it's been 5 minutes. I'm going to add some garlic powder. So I added my garlic powder. I'm going to add 1 cup of quinoa that's been washed. Go ahead. Alright. I'm going to stir everything around. 1 can of red beans. And I'm going to stir that together. Ooh, this looks so good. It's like a gumbo stew, meatless, delicious, hearty, perfect for this time of year. Now I'm going to add some crushed tomatoes. So I am going to stir this together. Stir it up, little darling, stir it up, yeah. 2 cups of vegetable broth. 2, go. Good job. Then I'm going to stir this around. To that I will add 2 bay leaves. You guys know I always eyeball my food. That's just how I cook 90% of the times. So I'm just going to add 2 more cups of vegetable broth to make it 4 cups of vegetable broth. And I am using low sodium vegetable broth. This is like a 1-pot meal all the way. And it's absolutely delicious. We're going to taste later to see if there's anything that's missing. And I will take it from there. I will salt to taste at the end. Close to the end, I should say. Alright, so I'm going to have this covered and simmer on low to medium heat for about 15 minutes. All right, my healthy people, so it's 15 minutes later. Woo! Look at it go. Oh my God, this looks so good. Woo! Yes, Maxine's Corner. You've what? Done it again. If you love what you see so far, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know you want to because you're watching the video. I am now going to add some coriander. Okay? Everything looks absolutely delicious. I love it. Nothing is missing but some salt. And you're going to salt to taste. Okay, guys? I always say salt to taste, meaning salt to your taste. In 15. All right, 15 minutes. Low heat, guys. Low heat. I'll be back in 15. Okay, my healthy people. So it's 15 minutes later. So it's been about 30. Actually, it has been 30 minutes since I've been cooking this. It looks so good. So yummy. So delicious. I'm going to give it a nice taste right now. Please, let me taste this. It's done, guys. I'm just going to turn this off. And that's it. Plate it out. And enjoy this deliciousness. Okay, my healthy people. So this is it. Our meatless stew. One pot. Delicious. Perfect. Hearty. And healthy. So yummy. And so delicious. If you love what you see, go ahead and give this video what? Big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. And say it with me. Stay healthy.